Okay, switch on your videos, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Xavier is telling me Buonasera. Sarah?
Ma'am, what? Good evening.
Yeah, I know. I was about to tell you Buonasera. Which means good night. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. No need, ma'am.
No need. Okay, we'll just read the portion of electric cell and we'll play a game. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we'll finish it off fast. Who will read fast?
I will finish fast.
Ma'am. Please don't shout. Ratish. Ratish.
Ma'am,
Ah.
Ma'am, me?
Yes, start.
Yes, you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from starting, right?
Electric cell.
Electric cell.
Okay, ma'am. Electricity to the bulb in a torch is provided by the electric cell. Electric cells are also used in alarm clocks, wristwatches, transistor radios, cameras, and
Transistor radios.
transistor radios, cameras, and many other devices. Have you ever carefully looked at an electric cell? You might have noticed that it has a small metal cap on one side and a metal disc on the other side. Did you notice a positive sign and a negative sign marked on the electric cell? The metal cap is the positive terminal of the electric cell. The metal disc is the negative terminal. All electric cells have two terminals, a positive terminal and a negative terminal. An electric cell produces electricity from the chemicals stored inside it. When the chemicals in the electric cell are used up, the electric cell stops producing electricity. The electric cell then has to be replaced with a new one. The torch bulb has an outer case of glass that is fixed on a metallic base. What is inside the glass case of the bulb?
Okay, bulb we'll learn in the next class, no problem. Electric cell, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It has a metal disc and a metal cap. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The portion that we drew, no? Look at your pictures, everyone. Meanwhile, I'll open the EC board. Okay, on one end, what do we have? We have a bulged out part, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the cap, metal cap. And on the other side, that is on the opposite side, what does it have?
Metal disc.
Yes, it has a disc. So if it is standing like this,
Ma'am, we can't see the board.
I share once more. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if it is standing like this, then this has one bulged part here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the metallic,
Cap.
yes, metallic cap.
Cap.
And here it is like this, metallic part. Another metallic part is there. That is the metallic metallic disc.
Disc.
And inside this, there are chemicals. And these chemicals react in order to give out electricity. And another important thing that is there here is the positive and negative terminals. This side is positive, this side is negative. Okay? So when you create a battery with one more cell, what do you do? Which part do you keep there here facing this side?
Positive. That negative.
Negative.
Is it correct like this or is it
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
left or right?
Second one.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one.
Which is correct? Right one.
Second one.
Right is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. If it is negative, we need to give negative. Yes.
Is this the one correct?
Yes,
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Positive.
I'm telling you no. This is the one that is correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because like poles that will repel. In magnets we have learned.
Yes, ma'am.
Like poles repel and opposite poles
Attract.
yes. So similarly for the positive and negative terminals also this is the case. Understood? So those are the basic parts of the what?
Electric cell.
An electric cell. The positive and negative terminal is there. Then on top part we have the metallic cap. On the base we have metallic disc.
Metallic disc.
Yes. And inside what do we have? The chemicals.
Chemicals.
The electric cell produces electricity from the chemicals stored inside.
Used.
The chemicals in the electric cell are used up. What happens? Why did Ashi's mother buy a new pair of cells? That is a bad.
Because the chemical has been finished.
Yes. The chemicals inside were used up. So we have to replace that with a new one. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the basic things about the electric cell. And give me some examples of gadgets or appliances that make use of these
Torch.
cells. Torch. Then
Emergency light.
emergency light.
Straightener.
Remote.
Remote.
Ma'am, remote is
Voice.
Yes, remote
Yes,
has
remote is better.
more than
cells.
one cell. Anything else?
Toys.
Toy.
Hair dryer.
Alarm.
Ma'am, hair dryer.
Hair dryer has a battery or a cell. Clock.
Ma'am, we can make with one cell torch, right?
Yes. Then the wristwatches, some of the wristwatches are run through cells.
Mouse and keyboard.
Ma'am, I made.
Keyboard has a cell and a battery.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
We have not opened.
There is a
No, not cell. Battery is there. Cell is not there.
Okay.
Let me.
That's all about the cell. Shall we play a game now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Some doubt.
Ma'am, some batteries are small, like cap.
Yeah, that is also called a cell. The button cells. Small ones. They are placed inside the wristwatches and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
and some small torches.
Small torches also, yes.
Ma'am, even some toys have that like
Toys
small
also have.
batteries.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finished. Now, how many of you know hangman?
What is that?
Ma'am, hangman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the game. Ma'am. Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
No.
Ma'am, you asked about stickman, packman. We will tell. Hangman and all I am here.
I am asking about hangman. Hang. H-A-N-G-M-A.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Hang means tungal, that only.
Yes, yes, that one. Smriti, what is hangman?
Tungal man.
Ma'am, like it's a game that is played with like on the paper we draw like a stick and like two sticks are joined like what do we say, like the half of a square. Ma'am, then a word and we will put dash in between that and we should find the word in
Find out.
letters.
Yes.
If it gets wrong, then each and every part of the man is getting like.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
we should write the vowels of that word.
Hmm.
And the other letters we should find out.
Fine. Okay.
I'm sure.
Yeah, we'll show. So, do you want to team up, boys and girls, or just?
Yes, boys and girls. That means boys versus girls. Boys versus girls.
Okay. So, okay, I'll make it a bit easier for you.
No need.
Wait, let me tell. Let me
Boys
finish.
has not even lost one time against girls. Only in studies only we lost. Nothing else.
Okay, fine. Let me complete this. Okay, the words will be from the 2 chapters, body movements and getting to know plants.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Okay, first chance for whom? Boys or girls?
Girls.
Boys.
Girls. And boys don't know how to play, ma'am. Then what?
Okay, girls. Let's show demo.
Let's show how to lose.
Yeah. Don't.
Yeah,
Ananta
exactly.
Krishnan.
Exactly. Correct only. You told me.
Okay.
to do.
Fine. So what I'm going to do is, where should I draw the man?
Side.
Okay. These are the blanks. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. And the man.
Done.
We all have to do this.
Ma'am, we also need to draw.
No, you don't have to draw.
Well done.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we need to write anything.
Sorry.
Do we need to write anything?
writing
No,
ma'am.
you don't have to write anything. You just sit there, relax, and then see how these girls are
Girls
playing.
are going to do.
Okay.
Do
Is
not
it okay?
underestimate girls.
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, that is a man.
That is not a man, but
That is
Ma'am,
the
we
pole.
will hang a man there and one by one part.
exactly.
Ma'am, that is the pole where the man is going to get hanged.
Yes, that is the pole where the man is going to be hanged.
And
Hung,
hanging
hung.
means we are going to kill him like.
Exactly. Win or die. That is the game.
Do or die.
Do or die. But you have to do it correctly. That's why I told win or die.
Good game.
Shall we start?
Yes, of course.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will give you one alphabet. Don't shout out answers. One alphabet at a time. Okay.
The bubbles in it, right? You have to write.
Ma'am, you have to write every vowel which is there in that word.
No, I'm not doing that. I will choose one alphabet and then I'll write how many. If I choose E, then I'll write number of E's in it. If I choose A, I'll write number of A's in it. Okay. Because these words are from the chapter body movements and getting to know plants. That's why I've already given you a clue. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
So the rule is don't shout out the whole answer. Shout the spellings, the alphabets only. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, that means are there chances like one chance, two chance like that?
Yeah, if they get one alphabet wrong, then I'm going to draw the head. Then if I get another one wrong, then I'm going to draw the eye. Finally, if it makes the whole man, then game
Ma'am,
over.
for girls, right, you draw big people, okay? For boys, you slowly draw.
Okay. Let's not waste time. Okay, girls, start.
Ma'am, what is this, ma'am?
I can't hear you properly.
C.
C. Anna, did you say C?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
C.
Ma'am, R.
Ma'am, R.
Ananda Krishnan, better luck next time, man.
Ma'am, T. Ma'am, T.
I.
Let different people tell.
L.
L.
G.
G.
E.
Dun, ta-da, finish.
Cartilage. Ma'am, when you wrote
Okay.
A, I got.
Yes.
Ananda Krishnan
congratulations.
did not have to wait because we did not.
Okay, next word. For boys. Okay, boys understood the game, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are the other boys? Only Ananda Krishnan here?
Ma'am, other boys left.
No, we understood. They're there. Okay. Good.
Boys are
Okay.
not like girls.
Okay.
Fine. Next one. For boys, okay. And girls, if you know the answer also, don't shout. Don't help them.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay.
some girls are there, ma'am. Akrandam only.
Ma'am, you can unmute, ma'am.
Don't fight. Next word. Okay. Yes, boys, you can start. Try.
Body movements chapter.
I won't tell that. Now Savio is talking. See how he replies. When I ask question, he's turning upside down. He's putting cameras, curtain. now Savio is hiding again. Don't search the textbook. That is a foul.
Ma'am, what Anandhakrishnan told was right. Boys are not like girls.
Okay, start. Boys.
Let me think. Enough time
Ashish
is
is
there.
drinking water. Ashish, water helps in thinking better.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys, start telling each alphabets. You won't get killed in the first chance. Don't worry.
S.
What is it?
Nothing.
Ma'am, somebody.
Somebody
S.
told something. I didn't hear.
Ma'am, S. They told that.
Nobody told us.
Yes. All told.
S. S. Nobody told.
Ma'am, by mistake I unmuted.
What?
Punish.
By mistake I unmuted and told.
Okay, no,
No
problem.
problem.
You fix it. Boys, fix it, and then only I'll write or cut or whatever.
Cutting and pasting and.
You're taking too much time. Okay, you have to start telling the alphabets.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the word, ma'am.
Even if it goes wrong, no problem. What is it, Aaron?
S.
S.
K.
Finished.
L. I got it.
Then tell Savio.
Skeleton.
O.
Skeleton. SKELETON. Skeleton.
Okay,
Aaron.
skeleton. Very good.
Aaron on 4.
Okay, 1-1. Now next for girls.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Start. When I say start, you have to tell the alphabets. Otherwise, out.
Ma'am, you didn't even start writing one letter, ma'am. Then how start?
Ma'am,
I started.
this
Yes,
piece.
I wrote.
Ma'am, O.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ma'am, B.
Wait. Let me draw the head. What is it? B. B, no? B for bone. Isn't it?
No,
Risa,
ma'am. No, ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, I said
She's scared.
When they lose head. No.
Don't waste time. Fast.
ma'am, S.
S.
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
S. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. S.
Okay. Fast. Don't
Ma'am,
waste time.
Ma'am,
I.
Ma'am, E.
Wait. E.
Ma'am, P.
Okay.
L.
Okay.
S.
Yeah, I forgot to put the S again. Sorry. Yes, so that's also correct. Sepals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next one for boys.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am,
Actually, I think there was some
ma'am,
kind
remove the
of
head.
confusion in that.
Huh?
Ma'am, like it could also be sepals and petals, right?
Sepals and?
Ma'am, it could
Petals.
also be petals,
Yeah, it
right?
could also be sepals, petals, anything, but you have to tell me what I have in mind. That is the game. Because with the same blanks, if I am imagining C, then there is also T, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you give S, then I have to, I don't know. If you give T, then I have to put it wrong itself. No.
Yes, then
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
understand it is C.
Yes. Okay.
May I
next
remove the
one for
head?
girls. Yeah, I'll remove.
Ma'am, that head doesn't belong to boys.
Where is
Maybe
it?
it just come to you.
Whole body will come.
Only in your dreams.
Okay. Fine. Where is the pen? Next word.
Ma'am, the head doesn't belong to them, ma'am.
I will remove. Don't worry.
Then this is going to be.
Okay. Start.
Ma'am, I got.
Tell the first letter.
Don't tell the answer. Tell
First
the
letter.
first
First
letter.
letter. Tell.
R.
Okay.
Next letter.
E.
What?
E.
E. Okay.
T.
Hmm.
C.
T.
Yes.
U.
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 L.
L.
I also got red.
T.
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 E. Yes, that is
Reticulate.
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 Very good. Very good. Okay. Now next one for girls. Okay. Now let's take two-worded terms.
Okay, ma'am.
Of course.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
For girls only now. What is the problem
Yeah.
for boys?
For boys also you want to do the
Yes,
same.
yes, for both. I'll give only one. Okay.
Start.
Ma'am, I got.
You have to tell me the alphabets, Harriet.
Ma'am, T.
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 T for T. This one.
Yes, ma'am, that's T.
No.
Ma'am, S is there.
What?
S. S.
S. No.
S.
My head got one.
Have you mute? This is the girl's chance. Fast up, fast up.
Ma'am, is there?
I. I. Was it I? No.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, finish.
Oh.
Did not finish. We need body, legs, and hands and all.
Legs.
Ma'am has only head, ma'am.
Legs.
Ma'am, is there E?
E. Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Say the
R.
answer.
R. R. Ma'am, R. L. 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 O. B. O. B. B. B.
Okay.
Earlobe.
Earlobe. Yes. Next one for boy.
Then why are you doing this? The head does not belongs to us.
I will remove it. Don't worry, Mr. Ashish. Okay. I'm not leaving any place for the the
Body.
body to be grown.
Because
So
ma'am,
make sure
no.
that you don't kill him. Okay.
Ma'am, triple done.
Start.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you can give the many vowels.
Yes. Sorry.
Bubbles,
sorry.
bubbles.
Hmm.
Wait.
Okay.
E. I. E.
There might be more I's and E's. You have to find it out. If I give more, you'll get the answer very easily. Okay. Yes, first. Give any alphabet first. Come on. Start. Huh? A. No.
Alex, don't simply tell words and take the body, okay?
Yes, in history
Ma'am,
we have
definitely
very
don't
good.
think.
Next.
That also.
Give any alphabet.
Ma'am, let me think, ma'am.
That's the game. You have to find it from the alphabet.
That was.
The only thing is you don't have to kill the person. That's all. Till the last leg, you can
Ma'am, I
wait.
got
Oh,
P.
come on.
P.
Yes.
L.
L.
B.
B.
C.
C.
Bond. B. B. O.
Hmm.
N.
Not complete.
E.
Okay. Pelvic bone.
Oh.
Very good.
Then also in history we have made a head.
You have made a head, but not
Not
the eyes.
complete.
Yeah.
Not complete.
Okay. Next one for girls. Hmm. Okay, just one word. Okay.
Ma'am, this is equal to 2 words, ma'am.
But it's very easy.
Okay.
Only one alphabet. Start with the alphabets. I can't give you so much time to think. Start with the alphabets.
Ma'am,
S. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, A, ma'am.
A.
ma'am, I.
Hmm.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, I got O. O. P. B. P. C. T. T. O. N.
N.
And what is it?
Absorption.
Absorption. Very good. Next one. Boys.
Only that much?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we are ready for anything.
I know.
Unless the highest.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is very easy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got. Ma'am, I got.
Girls got, but it's unfortunately not your chance. Boys, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with an alphabet. Let it be
T.
anything. T. No.
Cancel, ma'am.
Ma'am, no T.
Ma'am,
T.
Ah,
T only I told. T.
Ma'am, T is also cancelled, ma'am.
T.
Ma'am, whatever it is cancelled, ma'am.
T also can.
Then okay. I didn't told E. I only told
Yes.
T.
yes.
That's why only.
Okay,
No.
okay, I'm
Whatever
sorry.
got cancelled.
Okay, next.
F.
No.
No.
Cancel.
Wait.
Ma'am, the board went up.
Yeah, board went up. Just a minute. I'll pull it down. Okay.
Ma'am, A.
Wait, dear. Let me pull this down.
Please don't be wrong.
Yeah, what did you say? A, no?
Yes,
A.
ma'am.
Ma'am, they have a luck.
Ma'am, one I for the
Yeah, one I forgot. Thanks for reminding.
N.
Yes.
They got.
Wait.
Ma'am, one more
Ma'am,
and
they
it's
got
done,
it.
Wait.
Anchoring.
Who is shouting answer?
C.
C.
H.
Hmm.
Ma'am, they got.
R.
Hmm.
I.
Hmm.
G.
Hmm.
G.
G. Anchoring. Okay. Very good. Well done, boys and girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
Equal for both of you. So,
They made.
what should I tell? Whatever. Both of you won the games. None of you lost it, no. So, equal. Fine.
Yes,
So
of
all
course.
the best for the exam. Study well.
Angu.
I don't know if we will have any classes for that. So study well, revise the portion, read the question properly, read the options properly. Okay. None of the above, all of the above, all that will be there. So read the question, read the options properly, then only answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So pray and do the exam well.
Okay, ma'am.
All the
Okay,
best.
ma'am.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am. Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Gracias, ma'am. Thank you.
Grazie.